If you like old homes, then you need to see this one. We are in an 1880s Colonial located in Woburn, Massachusetts, and it's an absolute masterpiece. This house underwent substantial renovations back in 2017, during which the owners did an amazing job keeping the original character and details of the house while also bringing it up to today's standards and adding a modern flair. And as you can see, this house is meticulously decorated and designed, where it looks elegant and grand, but it feels warm and welcoming. Especially in this living room with all the original woodwork, from the archway overhead to the wood-burning fireplace, and the built-in bench seating and storage in the corners. I think this is the room where people really fall in love with this house, because they just don't make houses like this anymore with this kind of character and attention to detail. So when they do come around on the market, it's hard to find ones that are in this condition. But this is just the beginning of the tour, since we're only in the first room of what is a house that has over 3,000 square feet of living space. So let's move on to the formal dining room, where you'll find another wood-burning fireplace and this gorgeous built-in bar and storage area for your dishware. This is the dream hosting space, where you can host formal dinners and holidays that are sure to blow your guests away. And it's not just about the aesthetics, it's a very functional space that is practical for everyday use, with a great layout that seamlessly flows into this newly renovated kitchen, where we have a massive center island, quartz counters, double oven, two-tone cabinets with the blue and white, but the character remains due to the exposed brick and the tasteful finishes like the farmhouse sink and the wallpaper. So here you have the perfect blend of getting your modern kitchen with all the finishes you want without sacrificing any charm and character of the home. And it even has this amazing butler's pantry where there's tons of extra storage and it connects right into the dining room. And wrapping up the first floor, we have this executive office where if you work from home, there's no better place than this. It has 2 sets of custom shelving, plus one of the most unique features I've ever seen in a home, which is this old vault that's built right into the wall. And this thing is heavy, it's the real deal. And I'm told that the original owner was a business owner and he stored cash and documents in there. And now we are upstairs in the primary bedroom, which was renovated by the new owners to add on a full bath, which includes a tiled walk-in shower. In total, there are 4 bedrooms in the house, and each one has its own character and personality. Like this one with the moody green color that wouldn't work in many houses, but it works in this one. The tour continues out in the hall, where at the end is kind of a bonus space that can be tailored to your lifestyle, whether you need another office space or maybe you add a bookshelf and make it a quiet reading nook. This is one of my favorite houses I've ever been in, and my team and I were fortunate enough to work with the owners to help them sell it. So unfortunately, it is not available. It sold for $1,125,000, which marked the first ever sale of $1 million or more on the street. This house really had it all, inside and out. As we take a look at the huge wraparound porch, that's the perfect spot to have a morning coffee or maybe unwind with a glass of wine at the end of the day. Since I was so drawn to this property right away, my creative juices were flowing, and I put together a unique marketing campaign for it to really emphasize the special blend of the old and the new. So that included a listing video where I rented an old car, dressed in an early 1900s style suit, and the video starts out in black and white, pulling up in the car, getting out with a briefcase as if I'm returning from work, and then when I get inside, the video transitions to color and I'm in a modern suit, showcasing the home while an upbeat swing style remix plays over it. I'll add a link to it at the end here and in the description, but we had a ton of fun making it, and it made a big splash around town on social media and had tons of people talking about the listing and showing up to see it, and we ended up receiving 2 offers. So if you're considering buying or selling in Woburn, I'd love to discuss how I can help you too. Shoot me a text or email for a pressure-free chat.